am iced out.
Mama told me I can make you see the brightness in her eyes. Said I don't need to fake it, got the flame, won't let it.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kiwi. Welcome to a new video. And on today's video, I'm gonna be doing a challenge, which is the kind of a challenge, where I am going to eat ketchup. This ketchup looks, I don't know. This ketchup don't look too good. And a banana. I'm gonna try that and see what that tastes like.
Nice.
I forgot the fork, but damn it. Okay, so I've teleported back to the future. Got a fork now. I got banana. Now, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna get some ketchup. Like so. I'm gonna put some ketchup in this plate. Like so. This is my sister's, so yeah. So I'm gonna get some ketchup like this. You dig? Get some ketchup. Ketchup. Get it, catch up, whatever. Then I'm gonna get a banana. What the fuck? Yeah. I'm gonna get a banana. Banana. This looks suggestive, but don't think about that shit. So I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna throw this here. Yeah, whatever. So I'm gonna get this now, and I'm gonna break it, cause yeah, I'm just gonna break it. I'll put that in there with ketchup and shit. Yeah, like that, right there. You see that ketchup and banana? I'm gonna rub that around. You dig? Ketchup and banana. I'm trying to taste piece right now. Yo, this shit actually tastes good. You want me to eat all of this? Okay, I can't do that. I tried it. It did not work. I mean, when you started to eat it, it tastes great, but after a while, you just were like, what the heck am I doing? And then you actually start tasting it, and you're like, what the heck I'm doing? Okay, I'm gonna try a piece more just for y'all. I did not throw up in the plate, disclaimer. Maybe I did a little. I'm gonna try one last piece. That's disgusting. I can't do that, whatever. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. This was just a quick video. I don't know, I saw some people doing it on YouTube. Thought it would be nice to try out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay updated for more videos. I have a TikTok account now, so y'all can go watch my what do you call them? TikToks? Yo, let's go watch my video. That will be in the description. Also my Instagram, my email, so y'all can connect. You dig? So thank y'all for watching again, and peace.